Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how to get rid of excess fat in the body naturally. If we see, more people are overweight today than ever before, leading an unhealthy lifestyle characterized by eating fatty foods, taking undue stress, not exercising regularly, and not taking rest well are the major causes for being overweight and obese. As a result, the incidence of obesity is increasing faster in India than in the rest of the world. So here I am with two best and most effective homemade remedies to get rid of excess fat in the body naturally. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Here are a few natural ways to reduce body fat quickly. Dancing, running, gymming, swimming, yoga. Lower the amount of calories in your meal. These are the major causes of excess fat in the body: heart disease and stroke, high blood pressure, sleep apnea, osteoarthritis, cancer. The first remedy is cinnamon and honey infused tea. So for the first remedy, you will need a glass of warm water and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder to it. Mix it properly. Cinnamon is also very helpful in treating people who suffer from diabetes or have heart disease, as they have low metabolism. Cinnamon boosts metabolism and lowers cholesterol levels, which helps to keep your weight in check. Mix it finely so that there are no bumps of cinnamon powder. Now add a tablespoon of honey to it. Mix it properly. Honey is also known to be full of medical properties. All of these helps the body to let go of the excess fat, and the effects are visible in just weeks. This is one of the simplest weight loss remedies at home. So now you strain out the cinnamon and honey infused tea into a different glass. Make sure the drink is still warm and it looks like this. If not warm, you can warm it up again. Drink the cinnamon and honey infused water on an empty stomach each morning. This will work wonders in case of your weight loss at home. Now the second remedy is green tea and honey. To prepare this remedy, you will need a glass of warm water and green tea leaves. I will just take out leaves from these bags. Green tea is rich in caffeine, which helps in stimulating your body to burn fat and improving exercise performance. Now you got to boil green tea leaves in the glass for few minutes. Once it is boiled, you got to strain it out into a different glass. Drinking green tea can beat the stress and help you lose weight as well. It is also high in antioxidants, also known as catechins, which are useful in boosting metabolism. So now you got to mix 1 tablespoon of honey into the green tea and mix it properly. Make sure the green tea is still warm. If not, then you can also warm it up. Green tea contains an ingredient called theanine, which is a type of amino acid that is effective in relaxing and calming the mind, and this in turn reduces stress. So now your green tea is prepared fully. Drink green tea 2 to 3 times a day and you will get effective results. So these are the two most effective drinks to get rid of excess fat in the body naturally. Drink it at home and get effective result. So that was all about today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. So from now onwards, follow my remedies and wear your desired outfits and look slim and trim. If you like my video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel, the red button right below, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.